Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at head trauma in children.
A traumatic brain injury or head trauma typically happens from a sudden blow or forceful impact to the head or body. The severity of the injury can vary based on factors such as the type of trauma and the intensity of the impact.
Interestingly, most head trauma occur at the home, within the home, in a lot of unfinished structures in particular, but importantly as well, as part of our general increased road traffic accident prevalence. So kids are impacted, with minor head traumas mainly from the home, meaning there's accidents around in the home as well as involved in motor vehicle accidents. Thankfully, most of them are minor, but we have suffered the loss of children in terms of death.
This can lead to a variety of physical and psychological effects. While some symptoms may show up right after the injury, others might not become noticeable until days or even weeks later.
For the more significant head injury patients, you are likely to have things like behavioral disorders, persistent headaches. They may also have emotional instability. Some patients, a smaller number, may go on to have intractable seizures, meaning they're having fits-like activity requiring the need of medication over the long term. Of course, there's also the physical, where the head may in fact be deformed depending on the severity of the injury.
Head trauma is often assessed using imaging techniques such as CT scans or MRIs. Treatment depends on the severity of the injury. This can be rest, medication, surgery, or rehabilitation.
Once they are deemed okay, meaning the CT scan is normal or the injury is non-surgical, the patients are either discharged with their caregiver with advice, or more commonly observed in the emergency room or on the ward setting for a 24-hour period. Those that are deemed surgical will be co-managed with the pediatric surgeons as well as the neurosurgeons, and will be facilitated, prepared for the operating room to have that surgical brain injury corrected.
Seek medical attention if your child gets a blow to the head or body, and remember to pay attention to your surroundings. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.